So hello guys, and this is me Yashwardhan, and I'm at Hotel Conrad Pune. And as you can see beside me is a swimming pool, and right now we are going underwater and we'll be shooting different kinds of underwater shots, and I'll get back to you after we are done with the thing. And this will be a very great experience to have. As you can see, the mystical beauty over here. The pool is quite good, and yeah, we'll get back to you shortly. And now this place is a real dope. I tell you again, this place is a real dope to have. So you got it in the, taking the front shot only. Telling about the 360-degree shots. Let's do it at back again in 360. Let's check it out how it rolls.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a top popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See you move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention.
A big thumbs up to Hotel Conrad. Great ambience, great people, and you got many more things to do over here. So when in Pune, do check this out.
Got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah.